and now you are essentially putting automation on steroids with TrueTest. There will be a point where automating with that approach, you will reach a ceiling in terms of productivity. You will notice that, hey, we've automated a lot of tests. However, now there's maintenance, or Studio mitigates the maintenance challenge, which isn't inherent for any test automation approach these days. But even in that mitigation strategy, there will be a point where you've automated as much as you possibly could with the team that you have, but it's not enough. For me to automate more new tests and maintain the existing tests, I need to hire more people for my team. And obviously that's very hard to do in any organization these days. You reach this productivity ceiling that is very common with any testing automation tool in the market. That's where we would invite you to take a look at TrueTest, which is a product that has been helping many of our customers break through that automation productivity ceiling, where TrueTest is now understanding how your real users in production, for example, navigate through your application. And based on that, it shows you what are the different workflows that they go through that application. That helps you prioritize your testing strategy to obviously start focusing on areas of the application that matters most to the users. But not only that, TrueTest enables you to automatically generate automated tests for Studio that will cover those exact same workflows from production. So that means you are expanding your automation coverage without putting any new effort to automate a workflow, for example, because that understanding of how users are going through the application is being captured by TrueTest, so that you can run those same workflows in your pre-production environment as part of your normal release cycle. So now your release cycle is composed of automated tests that were created by your team through Studio, and those are requirements based. And then also they are added to automated tests that have been created reflecting what your users do in production. So you have this left to right coverage, requirements to production, and you have the production or right to left coverage converging in the middle, giving you the maximum amount of coverage that you could possibly dream, right? And that's how you kind of evolve from a traditional test automation approach with Studio, and now you are essentially putting automation on steroids with TrueTest, because now you're bringing the user perspective into the automation strategy for your company.